bummer. I forgot all about the sweating and the digging every time I go out to pick me a biggin'. Homegrown tomatoes, homegrown tomatoes. What'd life be without homegrown tomatoes? Only two things that money can't buy. That's true love and homegrown tomatoes.
Hey everyone, this is AJ again, and we're doing the Patio Garden Series Part 2. What ended up happening is we ended up taking back the rose bush, and then we got a little carried away and got all these city pickers here, as you can see. So I'm going to give you a little bit more detailed tour here in a moment, but spring is definitely here in Austin, and it's just beautiful. The plants are just going, and the birds and the animals and everything. So this is little Lucky Dog. I don't know if you've ever seen her, but she's actually got a number 7 here on her chest, and that's why we call her Lucky Dog. And she is just the sweetest little girl in the whole world. She's more of a hugger than a kisser, but I like giving her kisses. But she's just a great dog. She's kind of like a Chihuahua mix of some kind, but she's just our pride and joy. This is a great dog. And so anyway, I'm going to give you a tour of kind of what I've been doing and how it's changed a little bit out here, so stay tuned. Alright, so I guess I'm going to take you a little tour of what I've got going on here. Like I said, we took back the rose plant, and then we got a little carried away with these city pickers. Now they're about $20 a piece, and then we also went to the Great Outdoors in Texas to get the mulch for our herb garden. We actually got a succulent mix mulch, dirt soil thing, and we mixed that with some organic stuff. So this is all organic, and this is a great way to save money if you're eating a lot of fruits and vegetables and you like to cook a lot like me. I love herbs, so this is like a dream come true for me. So let me just show you the different type of herbs I have now, and this was really cool. So here we go. Okay, so far this has been my favorite one. This is called Mother of Thyme, and it's really good. You can see I've eaten a lot of it. Over here we have German thyme, we have a rosemary, we have some sweet mint, we have lemongrass, we have a double mint. This is marjoram. We also have different types of basil here. This is going to be just the regular basil. We have 2 of those sweet basils. This is actually an amethyst basil. I believe this is going to be Mexican oregano. Then we have Greek oregano, Italian oregano, and we even have Thai basil, which I've tried and is really good. And then over here we have some shallots going. This is of course our jalapeno plant that we transplanted in here, and it's doing really good. And we have a purple bell pepper, which already looks like it's sprouting some stuff here, so that's awesome. And then we also have our little habanero plant that's hasn't anything on it yet, but sure it will soon. And then of course here's our green peppers. I've been eating a lot of these, so we only have about 3 of them left right now. We also splurged and got this Meyer lemon tree. You can see it's already got some stuff going on there. Let me go ahead and show you over here. This is our tomato plant. This is what started it all. I am so hooked now to fresh vegetables. I think I'm always going to try to do this. So we got some more growing. Check this out. We got a whole bunch. And the best time to eat these is actually when they start to split open, and they're so good. So I hope you enjoyed my new tour, the Patio Garden 2. I'll keep you updated on this. Alright, thank you.